Let me show you something cool. It's a blender that you hold in your hand. I'm making a smoothie. Even the level of entertainment that you get for playing with this thing, it's amazing. But it can make like some really nice stuff. So strawberries go in. Obviously we're gonna need some ice. Some pineapple. Crushed pineapple works great because this is gonna make it nice and sweet. How about a fresh banana? And I like in my smoothies a little bit of a milk. I hope it's enough. If not, we could always add some more. Press and hold, turn it on. And then how cool is this? And it stops by itself. I don't have to do anything. Let's see what we created. This is pretty good. I'm happy as a child. Man, I should have bought this a long time ago. Thanks for watching.